standard in wound healing is full thickness grafting, as it can restore skin tissue completely. However, this comes at the cost of sacrificing the donor site skin. We recently found that we can harvest full thickness skin without sacrificing the donor site, as long as each piece of donor tissue is about half a millimeter in diameter or less, which is small enough that the wound site can spontaneously regenerate back to normal skin. The problem we had then is how to assemble all these tiny bits of tissue to reproduce the structure and orientation of natural skin. After looking at a number of different methods, we found that a magnet-based orientation system works quite well. The magnetic coating seen here in black is rubbed onto the skin, then microskin tissue grafts are harvested with a custom-made needle, and a magnet is used to orient the grafts along the epidermal-dermal axis. Those constructs can then be transplanted into the wounds, and we could demonstrate that they improve wound healing, reduce scarring, and restore the architecture of the dermis to a better extent than previously shown. If this interests you and would like to know more about our work in detail, please take a look at my poster